Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best HPS performance components available. The HPS 3/4-inch black high-temperature 3-ply reinforced silicone coolant cap bypass heater. If you're in the market for a durable, high-heat resistant cap for coolant or vacuum applications, then this compact powerhouse is worth your attention. Stick around as we break down its materials, dimensions, use cases, and what makes it a top-tier choice for automotive and industrial needs. Let's start with the core specifications. This HPS coolant cap is crafted from a high-temperature, 3-ply polyester reinforced silicone, capable of withstanding extreme heat, up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. The inside diameter measures 3/4 of an inch or 19 mm, with an outer diameter of 27 mm. Its overall length is 1 to 5/8 of an inch, and it's built with a substantial 4 mm wall thickness for added durability and strength. The compact form factor makes it ideal for tight engine bay applications. This is not your standard rubber plug. The HPS cap features a multi-layer silicone construction reinforced with polyester, allowing it to handle elevated temperatures and heavy-duty pressure connections without cracking, hardening, or deforming. The high-temp silicone gives it excellent flexibility and resilience, and the 3-ply design ensures long-term reliability under tough operating conditions. Whether you're working on performance mods or simple maintenance, this is a cap designed to last. Now, what exactly can this cap do? It's compatible with a wide variety of automotive and industrial uses. You can apply it to block off coolant ports, vacuum lines, turbocharger bypass valve ports, throttle body water ports, heater cores, you name it. Basically, anywhere you need to safely seal off a 3/4-inch line without worrying about pressure or heat, this HPS silicone cap will do the job. However, a quick heads up, it's not designed for fuel, oil, or any petroleum-based fluids. So, why is this considered one of the best? It's all in the engineering. The tight manufacturing tolerances, premium silicone material, and reinforced layers make it a go-to option for enthusiasts and professionals alike. It performs consistently in high heat environments and retains its elasticity over time. Whether you're running high boost pressures or just need a dependable coolant bypass solution, the HPS cap is built to perform and outlast cheaper alternatives. If you're upgrading your system or sealing off unused ports with a professional-grade component, the HPS 3/4-inch reinforced silicone coolant cap is a solid investment. That wraps up our review here on Product Critique. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth looks at high-performance gear, and drop a comment below if you've used HPS products in your setup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.